Welcome back to another hip hop breakdown. Here we go. Got the heel tap right there. Heel tap variation. Now we go to the other side. We go to Scooby Walk. Heel toe twist, and then other side. Now we get into locking, some wrist twirl exercise. Scooby-Doo. Some locking drills, just lock. Some double locks. Hitchhike. Sneak and peek. Alright, that's it. Cool. Let's bring it back. First of all, thank you, X. This is my TA, Ericson, X, aka X, right here. So this is out of Mission College. This is the intermediate class. We incorporated some locking drills into our routine. So a lot of the more deeper breakdown is going to be listed in the description below, or I'll have it up here on the side. You're going to see it pop up. So, okay, let's get right into it. The first thing we did was our heel tap variation. Let's go right into it. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. So real quick. So basically what we did a slow first. Did it basically half time. Let's bring it back down. Okay, so here we go. 3. Let me try this real quick. Here we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Okay, so that's our 1, 2, 3, 4 is the slower version, and then 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 we do front and side. Okay, I'm moving a lot faster on this tutorial because we already did a slower version, deeper breakdown. So we're combining maybe like 4 classes all together. So okay, next one. 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. So this variation is a little bit more difficult. However, it's basically heel tap as well, but we're doing doubles. Okay, and with that little twist. Now we're going to the other side. Double, double, and then we twist it. Okay, so now we're moving forward to, this is called the Scooby Walk. Sometimes it's called the Pimp Walk, depending on how you do your arm, but here we go. So that 1, 2, 3, 4, that's our Scooby Walk right there. One more time, let me go back a little bit. Here we go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, that part, Scooby Walk. And then we're gonna go right into our heel twist action. And then we go other side, Scooby Walk. Okay, now we're gonna go into our wrist twirl variation. All right, here we go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Let's watch that one more time. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Okay, so if you need more wrist twirl drills, go on to the description below or click on the link on the top. Moving forward, so that part is a Scooby-Doo. A lot of people who never took any hip or any locking class don't know what the Scooby-Doo is. This part is the Scooby-Doo. Coming up right here, this leg right here, that's leg. Now the arms that I'm doing is not a classic Scooby-Doo. Yeah, I changed the arm just a little bit for variation. A lot of the students in this class taken locking before. So 1 and 2, okay, right here. 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this is the lock. If you guys don't know what the lock is, a lot of people hear locking, popping and locking, they think it's like just a sound effect, but no, lock is an actual move. This move right here, where the arms, where the elbows go out away from the body, the hip kind of tilts to a side, and the body just holds that position. It's like you lock it. You know, you lock like a freeze, if you will. Okay, lock. So that's the lock. And this is our little locking drill right here as we're traveling. Okay, and I learned this move. It's called the lock, the muscle man right here. That little right here, where it looks like, even though right now we're not doing it, but it looks like you know, a person flexing, right? They're raising both arms up like the muscle man. I learned that from Greg Campbell Jr. He was the one. There was a master class years and years ago when I took it to him. Or took it from him. So, anyways, muscle man and to the lock. Okay, that's the drill we're doing in class. And then we got the quick double lock. Actually, this is more like a triple lock. We're locking 3 times. And this part is a little bit more difficult because we're doing it. First of all, it's a triple lock, so you're doing it faster. And second, our leg action, we're twisting. Let me see if I could go slow. Here we go. Lock, lock, lock. So the knees are going out, in, out. Let me rewind that one more time. Here we go. Let's go slow. Lock on the 6, and then lock. That's the 7. Here's the lock. So knees are out. Lock, in. Knees supposed to be going in. Ericson does a better demonstration there. Lock, lock, and then one more lock. 7 and 8. Okay. All right. So now we're moving to the next portion. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is called the hitchhike. Obviously, you see why the hand, the thumb comes out, and you're asking for a ride. Hitchhike. Other side. Yeah, I guess it doesn't make sense. You're trying to go hitchhike the both ways, but you know, obviously this is a dance move, so it's not realistic. But I guess it would be kind of funny if somebody actually do this to try to get a hitchhike, huh? So this one is called sneak and peek. I learned this one from Big Brother Skeeter Rabbit. Sneak and peek. All right. Okay, cool. So anyways, this has been like a mix to a conglomerate of 4 or 5 classes at Mission College, and we're putting it all together so everybody can see what it all looks like, you know, midway through the semester. So hopefully you have fun. Please hit that like button and share it and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.